For this task, you're going to open your interactive notebook up to page 6 and find the hidden pictures that we glued in there. And you'll see that around the outside, you've done a hidden pictures before. Highlights used to be my favorite thing to do when we went to the doctor's office. But you're going to find the pictures in here. Don't stress if you can't find all of them. I'm going to tell you that once you find 10, you need to stop because I'm not grading this. I will be grading this. In your Google Classroom, you have a document that says Hidden Pictures Sentences. Write a sentence to describe where each object is located in relation to other items in the picture. That's what prepositional phrases do. So you're going to write at least 10 complete sentences and include 10 different prepositions. So once you've used after, I want you to use a different preposition. So you may want to refer to the list in the back of your journal for your prepositions. You also might want to focus on the prepositions that's going to be on your quiz list number 1. Once you've written your sentence, I want you to highlight the prepositional phrase. And if you used more than one, then try highlighting them in different colors. So you'll see my example sentence says, the green paint job title is above the man with the paint roller. So here's the man with the roller, and here's the green paint job sign. And then I will go on to sentence number 2. Okay, and make sure when you are done that you have the heading completely filled in. You have all 10 sentences. They all start with a capital letter. They end with a period. Your prepositional phrases are highlighted. And if you see any of those little squiggly lines telling you have a spelling or punctuation or grammar error, that you fix it.